Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to study for a religion exam. Start by mapping key topics and blocking study sessions around them, then set clear goals for each session and include short breaks. Review sacred texts, lecture notes, and class handouts in focused intervals. Use flashcards and quick quizzes to test recall, and teach a concept aloud to a friend or mirror. Stay consistent and adjust your plan based on progress and difficulty. Use active techniques that keep your mind engaged and curious. Summarize important passages in simple language and make timeline charts for events and doctrinal shifts to visualize connections. Create flashcards for key terms, figures, and rituals, then quiz yourself aloud. Pair up with a study buddy to debate interpretations and fill gaps. Rotate topics each session to prevent boredom and use brief, timed reviews to lock knowledge into memory. If this guide is helping you, please subscribe and like to support more videos. Quick recommendation: bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker for background music, focused white noise, and handy timed study alarms that keep you on track. It's a small boost with big focus benefits. Check the description for the link and other deals, and if you grab one, enjoy it. Now let's get back to the video. On exam day, stay calm and use a clear approach that saves time and boosts accuracy. Read every question first, note point values, and plan timing for each section. Tackle the highest value or most familiar questions first to build momentum. For essays, sketch a quick outline with main points and evidence before writing, then expand systematically. Keep answers focused, cite specific examples, and leave a few minutes to review your responses.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.